Hi everyone. So today we are talking about circles. And just to reiterate, we know that we can find the circumference of a circle by multiplying the diameter by pi. And in this case, we are taking pi to be 22 over 7. That is an approximation of pi. So that's pi approximately. Pi exactly can only be expressed by this symbol that we see up here. But for this exercise, we are going to use 22 over 7. So how do we find the length of this funny curve that we're given here? Using what we know about the properties of a circle. Well, what does this curve here really look like? It's made up of 4 equal semicircles. If you take a look, you'll notice that each of these is actually half a circle. So if we use our imaginations and we move the bottom parts of the curve over to the left, it's kind of like we actually only have 2 circles that we need to find the circumferences of. And that makes our job a whole lot easier. We know that the diameter, so the the length from here to here is 14. I believe that was 14 centimeters, yes. 14 centimeters. So now we can use the circumference to find the length of that curve, because essentially the length of that curve is equal to 2 lengths of these 2 circles' circumferences. So we have 14 is the diameter, so we will say 14 times 22 over 7. Here I can simplify by finding a common factor between 14 and 7. 7 will become 1 and 14 will become 2. So essentially I'm just multiplying 22 by 2 to get 44 centimeters. So that is the length of the circumference of one of the circles, but I have 2 circles, so I'm going to say 2 times 44 centimeters, and that brings us to 88 centimeters. And that is the length of that curve that we started with that looked kind of like this before. 88 centimeters.